There is no such thing as the 1/3 rule when it comes to credit. One major misconception of credit, the fact that the 1/3 rule is still relevant. And in reality, it's not relevant anymore. When people speak about the 1/3 rule, that pertains to your credit utilization amongst your revolving accounts, aka how much credit are you using out of all your credit cards. The rule of thumb is don't go above 30%, but realistically, that means nothing in the credit world. That's just financial advice just to keep you from getting yourself in a giant debt hole that you can't climb out of because of so much interest being stacked on top of the 30% plus of revolving credit that you are using. Banks don't care about the 1/3 rule. Banks actually want your utilization below 15% and more preferably under 10%. So before applying for new credit, you want to make sure that you're only using 10% out of all your available credit, not 30%. Because if you notice at your credit score, if you're using more than 15%, your credit score is going to drop dramatically. That's just the proof in the pudding that the 1/3 rule doesn't matter, because you can use under 30% and still have your credit score affected due to the utilization still being above 10 to 15%. So if you hear anybody speak about the 1/3 rule, let them know that that's outdated. The new wave for banks is under 10%. And trust me, I would know.